So it might not sync depending on whether you started your music recording first, your audio recording, or your camera recording first.
Are we recording? Recording.
So you can see there's a gap. First thing you want to do is to bring this into full zoom. Zoom in all the way. You don't want it small. You want it fully zoomed in. I'm going to bring this to align. The alignment's not perfect. It's not like a pro audio editing program and software, etc., where you can really zoom in. You see, if you bring it here, there's two claps. If you bring it to the right, one clap. It's two claps. So bring it here. One clap. If I bring it here to the right, two claps again. So that means we want it back here in the middle. That's the best it's going to get inside iMovie. Okay, so you come here actually, Command A, Command B, delete the extra, and we start over here. You can just see if you can do that one more time.
Hey guys.
Alright, we move this to the right.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
You can hear that phasing effect which happens when audio is close by but not perfectly aligned. So when I move it back, let me just cut this part to see if we want to move it a bit to the left.
Hey guys, well.
No, same problem. So we move it all the way here.
Hey guys,
That's what you want now, and once this is aligned, you want to go to the end of the clip. So you go in there, you zoom out, you scroll, you click somewhere near the end of the clip, you zoom in, somewhere at the end.
I'm really achieving everything you want in your life. That's kind of my jam, and I really have a good time doing that.
See you on the next.
Take care, and see you on the next video. Okay.
Alright, so you want these two peaks to align. So what you're going to do, you're going to click this one. You're going to zoom in, right? Settings, you can make the clip size slightly larger so it's easier to see.
Take care, and see you on the next video.
So we're going to stop around here.
Okay, so let's stop.
I'm going to stop around here. I'm going to Command A, Command B, cut off the extra clips. Command A is select all. Command A is select all, and Command B is split clip, and so you get a gap and then you delete the extra. Now what we're going to do is we want to zoom in. I'm going to cut these two next
video.
Okay, I'm going to take this, right click, show speed editor, and now you see this little circle here at the top of the green clip, which you can click, drag, select, and move the clip around. Basically, you're speeding up and slowing down the audio. So what you want to do is you want to align your mouse, maybe one of the last peaks, zoom in a little bit to see if the green peaks are aligned as well, and if not, click that little circle on the green bar, which is the external audio, by the way, and drag it so that these peaks start to move and they start to align together. You're going to have to zoom out a bit, zoom in a bit, scroll around a little bit to get this done because it can't show everything on the same screen sometimes when the audio clip is long like mine. It's almost there. I think it's gone past now. It's a little bit over. So now a little bit less. Fully zoom in. Okay, it's a little bit, we need a little bit more. So bring it a little bit more. Okay, now let's check it out here. A little bit more to the right. Go back and check. Okay, and on the full zoom in setting, it's almost perfect, I think. Just a little bit back, just by one notch. So just grab it, just move it to the left by one notch. Now let's check that out. That looks pretty good. Now let's play it back.
Take care and see you on the next video.
That sounds good to me. Just remember, after you've done this, edit to go up here and click on the icon that looks like a speedometer in a car or a bike. And now don't touch anything on the left side because we've already edited with the speed editor, right? Moving it around. But on this right side of the top menu, click preserve pitch. That's just a minor detail because sometimes when you edit the audio a lot and you squeeze it or expand the green one a lot, you could end up sounding like a chipmunk if you don't click that preserve pitch button. So make sure you click the preserve pitch button. Now you zoom out and you cut the parts you don't want.
Video. See you on the next video.
In my video, we want it all the way to the end because I'd cut it just right the first time round at the Command B. So now you just click the green clip, Command B again at the end, take that audio, delete it, zoom back out. You should see that your clip is perfectly aligned with the audio. The green is the audio and the blue is your clip. You go back to the start and just see if they're aligned there as well. They are, depending on how you cut it and how you aligned it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Zephyr Kabata. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Zephyr, for those of you who know me. Hey guys, welcome back to my...
Sounds pretty good. I did a few takes there. Now you want to take the sound from the movie. You could leave some in, like about 10% or so, if you want that nice room effect.
Me, I love to buy gifts. I love to give gifts to myself and the people around me.
You could take this one out completely and just have the recorded audio.
Go out of my way to get such gifts for different people.
Perfect. And now you are ready to begin your video editing, and the audio will follow exactly. There won't be any lags, because previously when I was editing, I chopped up the video into like 50 parts over like a 30-minute edit. And then I went in and to my dismay, the audio wasn't lining up, and I'm sure you guys face the same thing. So this way you'll be ready to start editing. Have fun, guys. Take care. Let me know in the comments if you have any more questions. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing to this channel and turning on the notifications if you want more how-to tips. My name is Zephyr. Bye-bye.